give us uh, it will give us a deep sense of peace, and it will make us feel comfortable, and plus it will give us a sense of satisfaction of allowing our peace of mind and our sense of being to be stable. Yes, as a matter of fact, in no circumstances can we keep a relationship bounded to us, when it is not allowing the channels of positivity. Believe you me, therefore, my concern very, very, very strongly goes before my beautiful YouTube family as being most concerned for each one of you, as being most concerned for your well being. Yes, my concern stays very strong to say that people, you guys are beautiful. You guys are complete in yourself. Yes, including me. Yeah. Okay. So we do not require none, none whatsoever, none other to complete us. Our company to ourselves is sufficient. Yes, we are sufficient to give ourselves that beautiful company. Yes, my beautiful people, and yes, it is most concerning also to put across to my beautiful people that allowing to let go is very, very spectacular. The charm of keeping that relationship with you as written, as destined, is is beyond and is beyond is as charming as one may want to put across. Yes, putting aside that situation where that relationship is no longer serving us, allow it to let go. Yes, let it hurt and let it go. Yes, believe you me, it hurts deep down. Oh, yes, believe you me. However, the charm and the thrill, the the beauty and the bliss of for to allowing that situation to take the exit door will also give you that bliss. Well, not immediately. Yes, absolutely not. Not immediately. I speak in the longer chapter of life. Yes, my beautiful people, and yes, like I have even in my page I have said in prior that people, my beautiful people, we do not require none to complete us. We do not require none to give us company. Yeah, we do not require that relationship. Not at all. We we are sufficient. We Our lives are sufficient to ourselves. Our lives are complete to ourselves. Yes, and yes, I do not deny the fact that a relationship. Oh yes, it can be beautiful. If you have a relationship, and if you are, if the relationship is serving you well, wow, it's beautiful, it's superb. However, it should not let you down. Yes, it should not let your spirits down. It should not let your caliber down. It should not let your sense of humor down. It should not let you down. Beautiful you. Yes. And that is where the concern holds. That allow yourself to glow in that situation, in that relationship. And as sooner you realize, God forbid, God forbid, my beautiful people, if that relationship is pulling you down, please let go of it. Please give yourself that comfort, that sense of well being, that sense of mental stability, that I will take a deep breath and I will release. Yes, my beautiful people. And yeah, and that's the charm of today. That's the charm of my concern of today's video, that my people, you each one, I do not need to repeat. However, I persist and I strive to repeat that you guys are beautiful. Yes, I repeat to strive to say that because yes, you need to make yourself repeat to yourself that I am beautiful. My dearest ones, clothes, accessories, etc., 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 do not enhance us. Yeah, we enhance them. Yes, my beautiful people, we enhance them. Yes, so much goes on the same front as relationships. Relationships, no doubt, with all due respects, are a comfort zone if they are serving us on a front where they are regarding, respecting, where they are giving us that freedom of mind. Yes, when our mind is free, we are not bound to their way of thinking. Yes, we are, each one of us have our mind, have our way of thinking. Yes or no? So yeah, so people, please hold on. Please hold your horses. Please hold your horses. Please take a deep breath and please enjoy your precious lives. Yes, please do not strive to welcome such relationships or welcome such people into your life who only put you down. Allow to let go, allow to release, allow to let them live, let them be wherever they wish to connect thereafter, and it may, as a matter of fact, it may be at their good charm and your good charm. So yes, that's the concern for today, and my protocol and my concern always withstands to stay and say that I in person, I speak for myself and I remind myself much before I may connect with my beautiful YouTube family, that I do not I do not get desperate to allow somebody to stay put next to me, or give me company for hours, or well, not at all, not really. Of course, I have two beautiful children. I have two adorable children, in their pace of life, absolutely. However, on their routine, their roster, as each one of our children may have. However, I speak of the times when I am to myself, or I am, keeping in mind whenever I have sent them to schools, or keeping in mind when times too I'm to myself, I enjoy, I cherish that time. I thrive in that time. I give that 100% charm to myself, and yeah, that's the charm of life. We need to people, my beautiful people, we need to cultivate on times when we can thrive to spend with ourselves, give our company to ourselves, and give ourselves our due respect. Yes, we do not need people, my beautiful people. We do not need none other to give us company. Yeah, we are sufficient to ourselves. Yeah, and however, friends, as I spoke, are beautiful. Having company of friends can be beautiful. Why not? However, I speak on that front that when we as individuals may get some time to ourselves, celebrate that, my beautiful family. We need to celebrate ourselves and let go and release, my beautiful family, release of that may not serve us. Yeah, so that's all for today, and we shall, God willing, connect very soon, and yeah, have lots of fun, laugh, smile, and feel on top of the world. And yes, please don't allow none to pull you down, ever. Yeah, so that's all for now, and thank you for watching. And people, my beautiful people, please like, if you like the video, please share, please subscribe, and yeah, God willing, we'll connect soon. Thank you.